Generation T is built on the idea that we should be giving back to people. When we thought about a partner to work for this year, Yayasan Chow Kit is the best choice, especially since we heard that they are also focusing on education and connecting people.
Yayasan Chow Kit is an organisation that supports underprivileged children in the area of Chow Kit. There's a lot of negative activities that happen in Chow Kit, and most of the children who grow up in the environment, they are susceptible to these negative activities. Having these entrepreneurs and their locals, and they have their success stories, they are actually sharing their business successes as well as they're getting to know our children. We hope this kind of events or the information that is shared will actually inspire the children.
How we managed to get to where we are is because other people helped us along the way. And I'm all about pay it forward. I'm very blessed with what I've been managed to achieve so far, and I'm very aware of the people who helped me get there. If there's any way I can share that with especially kids, you know, at a time when their mind is still so fresh and full of ideas and so vibrant, when nothing can stop them.
I have to say, I actually learned a few things from these kids today. It was actually quite an eye-opener, and also like heartwarming. You sit there and you think that, oh, you know, what can I contribute? What can I teach them, or, you know, enlighten them? And it turned out to be quite the opposite. It was actually an enjoyable experience. I really enjoyed it today.